The unexpected attack on a group of 20 helicopters was caught on video. A group of 20 unmarked helicopters was suddenly attacked. A video has surfaced on the web where you can see how a group of nearly 24 helicopters of an unknown affiliation made the journey at low altitude. Even over the water the group was suddenly attacked, resulting in the downing of at least one helicopter. In the video footage, a group of helicopters can be seen trying to move stealthily using low altitude, presumably to evade enemy air defenses. However, during the flight, one of the helicopters was suddenly attacked so that it caught fire and fell into the water. The author of the video says that 2 helicopters were shot down. However, no confirmation has yet been seen that 2 helicopters were shot down. Exactly where and under what specific circumstances the large group of helicopters were attacked is unknown, but Avia.pro experts note that the helicopters captured on video, especially the Mi-8, are in service with several dozen countries around the world.